Hello everyone! Pagpatuloy natin ang ating discussion on profit or loss distribution. Sa ngayon naman, capital contribution ang magiging basis ng distribution of net profit or net loss. So, umpisahan natin ito sa first case, pero this will be case number 5. Kasi ang cases 1 to 4 ay mula sa lecture number 4. Ipagpatuloy lang natin yung numbering. So, on case number 5, we have the following partners. Si CC, PP, and AA. So, with capital contributions of 100,000, 200,000, and 200,000 respectively. Now, during the year, yung kanilang partnership ay nakapag-generate ng net profit of 80,000 pesos at wala raw agreement kung papaano yung magiging profit or loss sharing nila. Now, alamin natin kung magkano yon and i-journalize natin later on. So, itong case number 5, simple lang yan. Kasi pag ganyan, 80,000 yung net profit, yun yung paghahati-hatian ng mga partners based on their capital contribution. So, kukunin lang natin yung mga ratios nila or their percentages. Siyempre, ang numerator mo is magkano yung capital contribution. Yan yung nasa taas. Yung denominator mo naman is magkano yung contribution ng lahat ng partners. Ang tawag din natin dito ay Total Contributed Capital or TCC in short. So, 100, 200, 200, that is 500 in total. So, ang denominator natin ay 500,000. Pag ginawa natin yan, pag kinumpute natin, ang kay partner CC ay 16,000 ang kakalabasan. 80,000 times 100,000 divided by 500,000. Ang kay partners PP and AA, dahil parehas sila ng capital contribution, ang makukompute mo dyan ay 32,000 each. Okay? So, 16 plus 32 plus 32, you will get a total of 80,000. Pag ginormalize natin yan, because that is a net profit, syempre, increase yan sa partner's capital. So, you have the following. So, debit ka kay income summary and credit ka to the corresponding capital accounts. Ni CC, ni PP, and ni AA. So, that is case number 5. Now, proceed tayo sa case number 6. Ang emphasis natin dito is the original capital contribution versus the beginning capital balances. Now, partners XX, YY, and ZZ started their partnership 5 years ago by contributing the following balances. So, si XX, 100,000 ang kinontribute niya noon, 200 naman kay YY at 300 kay partner ZZ. Ang total contributed capital, pag yun yung tinatanong, is 600,000 pesos. Now, at the beginning of the year, so we assume that this is the current year, their capital balances were as follow. Kay partner XX, 300,000 na. Kay partner YY, 500,000 na. At kay partner ZZ, naging 200,000 na lang. During the year also, yung business nila ay nakapag-generate ng net loss of 60,000 pesos. So, mukhang matumal yung negosyo, nalugi sila. Kunwari, epekto na ito ng pandemya. So, i-compute natin yung share ng mga partners sa net loss and i-journalize natin yung transactions. Okay, ang gusto ko ditong bigyan ng emphasis is etong galing sa lecture 3 discussion, that the capital contribution should be interpreted to be the original capital or the beginning balances in the absence of a given original capital. Pero kung given yan parehas, we will go for the original capital contribution. Kaya nga dito sa problem, binigay natin parehas. Ito yung original, ito naman yung beginning capital balances for the year. Now, ang kukunin natin is your original, yung 100, 200, and 300. Yun yung magiging numerator mo at pag tinotal mo yung tatlo, which is 600,000, yun naman ang magiging denominator mo. So, ganun lang din natin gagawin ito, no? 60,000 yung net loss mo times 100 over 600. And you do it for partners YY and partner ZZ. So, 10,000 kay XX, 20,000 kay YY, and 30,000 kay partner ZZ. For the total of 60,000 na net loss. So, ang journal entry natin ay ganito lang. Debit natin yung mga accounts nila, capital balances for 10, 20, and 30. O, credit natin income summary for 60,000 pesos. Okay? Now, proceed tayo sa mga susunod na cases. Pero dito, gusto kong bigyan ng linaw etong statement na ito. Minsan kasi yung problem will provide for details on what capital balances to use. Will it be your beginning or will it be the ending or average or original capital? O kasi 'di ba, yung ginawa natin dito sa mga naunang dalawang cases, original capital balances. Pero papaano kung sinabi sa problem, gamitin ninyo yung beginning or gamitin ninyo yung ending balance or i-average ninyo. Kasi pwedeng mangyari yan. So, ganito ang gagawin natin. So, proceed tayo sa case number 7. Ito, distribution of profit or loss based on the beginning capital balances. So, kunwari we have the BTS company. We have partner BB, partner TT, and partner SS with the following movement sa kanilang capital balances. So, ang kay partner BB, 50,000 ang umpisa, 125,000 naman si partner TT, and si partner SS, 75,000 at the beginning of the year. And they have the corresponding investments or permanent withdrawals. At pag nirecompute natin yan, ganito yung magiging ending capital balances nila. 100,000 kay partner BB, 100,000 kay partner TT, and 100,000 kay partner SS. So dito sa case 7, i-compute natin yung profit or loss distribution using the beginning capital balance assuming meron kang net profit na 200,000 pesos. At syempre, ang gagamitin lang natin dyan ay etong nasa pinakataas. The 50, the 125, and the 75. Kaya, pag kinompute natin yan, ang distribution ng 200,000 ay magiging ganito. Kay partner BB, 40,000. Kay partner TT, 100,000. And kay partner SS, 60,000. Simply because you have your 200,000 na net profit times 50 over 250 o times 125 over 250 and times 75 over 250 para kay partners BB, TT, and SS respectively. O pag ginormalize natin, easy na lang yung journal entries mo ngayon. Debit ka income summary kasi once again, yan ay net profit. Tapos i-apply natin yung mga balances para mag-reflect doon sa kanilang mga capital accounts. So that is simple Pagdating mo sa case 8, pag in-apply naman natin yung ending capital balances, eto naman yung pipick upin natin. Although minsan, kailangan mo yung i-compute. So kunwari, hindi given itong ending capital balances. Given lang yung tatlong items, beginning, additional, permanent withdrawals, o plus minus lang yan. Pero dito kasi, inad ko na siya para hindi na tayo mag-compute. So pag kinompute mo ang distribution ng net profit or net loss, eto lang naman ang magiging numerator mo at eto ang magiging denominator mo. In this case, parehas yung magiging share ni partners BB and TT dahil ang kanilang ending balances ay parehas 100,000. So 16, 16, and 8, pag ginormalize natin ito dahil ito ay net loss, yung kabilang journal entry. Nasa debit yung mga capital accounts, tapos nasa credit si income summary. Okay, so that is case number 8. Now, minsan, para ma-complicate yung problem at para maipakita yung totoong lagay ng negosyo, dahil meron kang mga additions and withdrawals sa iyong capital account, ginagamit natin yung average capital balance. Okay, so bantayan ninyo itong maigi. You can take a pause para ma-absorb ninyo kung medyo nabibilisan kayo sa aking discussion. Ito yung partner BB, minodify lang natin, dinagdagan natin ng additional information yung last two cases. So, si partner BB, ito pala ang kanyang movement. Yung beginning niya na 50,000, yung additional investment niya nangyari nung March 1. Kaya nung December 31, 100,000 ang kanyang ending balance. Pagdating kay partner TT, ang additional investment nangyari noong March 31. Tapos, yung permanent withdrawal nangyari noong September 1. Kaya, by December 31, 100,000 din ang kanyang balanse. Pagdating naman kay partner SS, ang permanent withdrawal niya ay nangyari noong October 31, kaya by December 31, 50,000 na lang ang kanyang ending capital balance. So dito, i-compute natin ano yung average capital balances ng mga partners. O kaya tayo meron ditong petsa na inilagay kasi magmamatter yan sa computation ng average capital balances. Kasi kailangan nating i-identify gaano katagal walang movement sa capital balances mo. So, ganito natin gagawin yan. Please be guided by this template. So, you have your transaction and transaction date. Maaring iba ito sa pagkakapresent sa libro ninyo, pero ganun pa rin naman yung concept nun. So, halimbawa, beginning capital ko, nung January 1, I have the transaction amount of 50,000. Naglagay ako dito ng isang column for the running balance para ma-identify magkano yung totoong balanse niya after we add or we subtract the balances for that specific transaction. Now dito, meron tayong panibagong column, months unchanged. Ito yung buwan na hindi pa nagagalaw from the time na nagkaroon ka ng panibagong movement. So halimbawa, from your beginning balance, January 1, kailan yung sumunod na nagkaroon ng movement? March 1. So January and February, you have 2 months na unchanged, yung iyong 50,000 pesos. So we will get the product of A and B, kaya nilagyan ko ito ng tag. Si running balance is si A, si B naman is your months unchanged. So dito, 50,000 times 2, you will get 100,000 pesos. Pagdating naman sa additional investment noong March 1, okay? Ang transaction amount mo is 50,000, nadagdagan ang iyong capital balance, kaya ka magdadagdag. Ang running balance mo, 100,000 na. At dahil wala namang ibang transaction for the year, so from March 1 hanggang December 31, that is your months unchanged. March 1 hanggang December 31. So kung wala nang ibang changes, ang pinaka-end date mo is December 31. So kaya dito 10. Now, meron kang 100,000, i-times natin sa 10, you will get 1 million pesos. So 100,000 plus 1 million, i-add natin yan para makuha natin itong 1,100,000. Now, the next that we will do is we will divide it by 12. 12 being the number of months in a year or yung total nitong mga months unchanged. At dapat hindi yan lalagpas ng 12. 12 dapat yan. Hindi rin yan pwedeng kumulang ng 12. Dapat 12 palagi yan. So 1,100,000 divide natin ng 12, the average capital balance is 91,667. So that is the Partners B average capital balance. O ngayon, i-apply natin ito kay partner TT at kay partner SS. Unahin natin kay partner TT. O, beginning capital mo, 125. Ilang buwan yan hindi nagalaw? Ang sumunod na movement mo ay March 31 for additional investment. O, January, February, March. Kanina, March 1. So, it's as if January and February yon. Pero ito, end of the month. So, isama natin. Etong March. So, January, February, March. Yung months unchanged mo is 3 buwan. So, 125 times 3, you will get 375,000 pesos. O, now, next item tayo. 25,000 yung additional investment. O, dadagdagan. From 125, magiging 150,000. O, from March 31 hanggang September 1. Or, April, May, June, July, August. Kasi, ito ay September 1, umpisa ng buwan. So, hindi natin yun isasama. Your months unchanged is 5. 5 times 150, you will get 750,000. And you do it for your permanent withdrawals, September, October, November, December. Wala nang ibang transaction eh. So, yung 50,000, may ibabawas yan sa iyong balanse ng capital mo, kaya 100,000 na lang yan. Times 4 months because that is months unchanged. So, you will get 400,000 pesos. I-add natin itong tatlo, 375 plus 70 plus 400. You will get 1,525,000. And we divide it by 12. O tama ba? 3 plus 5 equals 8 plus 4 equals 12. Correct. Ang kakalabasan mo na average capital is 127,083. Okay? So, proceed tayo doon naman kay partner TT. Now, dito kay partner TT, ito yung kanyang computation. Ang beginning mo ay 75,000, meron siyang permanent withdrawal noong October 31. Now, noong October 31, 25,000 yung nabawas, so 50,000 na lang ito. You do the same. Dapat, pag chinek mo, January hanggang October 31, that is 10 months. So, multiply this one, you will get 750. October 31 naman, hanggang December, you get 2 months. So, 50 times 2, 100. Add natin ito, you will get 850,000. Divide natin by 12. Ang average capital mo ay 70,833. So, that's how we compute for the average capital balances. So, pag tinotal natin yan, ang total average capital balances ng tatlo ay 289,583. At kung meron ka ng net profit or net loss, i-distribute natin yan based sa ratio nitong mga to. So, halimbawa, si partner BB, 91,667 divided by 289,583. The same with partner TT and partner SS, ang numerator mo is kung magkano yung average capital balance mo, divide mo sa total. Okay? So, that will be my lecture for number 5. And pagpatuloy natin ito sa lecture 6 to apply the interest, salaries, and bonuses. So, until then, I'll see you and bye-bye.